Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lesotho Khoza and I am a South African actor based in Johannesburg, South Africa, and today I'm back with another vlog. And today I'm going to a birthday party, a friend's birthday party, Andy. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to bring you guys along as well. Yeah, you guys are so fun. You guys make me want to do vlogs, and I want to thank you for that. Thank you to my subscribers, my retainees. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to the people that support me on social media, dude. Like, I see you guys, I feel you guys, I see the messages you send me, I feel them, I really appreciate them, and thank you. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to do my makeup first and I'm going to put on a wig. I'm going to install a wig. So excited. Okay, let's do it. This recording is this frame because I realized even recording it makes it smaller. The wide is not as wide as you think it is.
I know. Like, he said he knows. Then as soon as you tell me, give it like a month view. So that I can talk to Steve. No, those things take time. Steve is funding my trip to America. So like, I don't want to come with him with ideas because I know he's not.
Now I am an action.
But I know I'm looking like a hot babe. Wait! Love it! Guys, I look so cute, but like blurry. I can see blurry. Like blurry. Brown skin girl. Oh my word! I think they're all kind of cute. They're all kind of cute. They're like, I wish I could like send pictures now, like a whole photo. Yes.
This is your red flag. You're still recording.
Yes.
It's your fun. It's your fun.
I'm so sorry. I just need some content.
That's what I like.
That's my combo. Oh, look at the wings.
I was traveling Europe. I was like, I'm not cancelling my plans. Like that. You know? And then camera. And I was like, cool.
She has arrived at times. With the ball. Look what God.
Next week? No. That's what I'm saying. What groundwork can I do?
Nothing. When I rap, I'll say, hey man, can we meet sometime in December?
Do you even want to meet? Do you want me to come back down here? Or when are you coming back up?
In the rain.
In the rain, girl.
In the rain.
Singing in the rain. I love it, girl, but it's not good for my camera. I know that's right. I'll be having fun, but
PCs, bro. To be honest, I know Max is doing the same thing, but I don't like PCs for that exact reason. PCs are open source software, bro. Which means that pretty much Microsoft is useless.
Sure.
It doesn't protect you from anything, bro. It doesn't protect the data, it doesn't protect anything else. And then it can, but it chooses not to. Why? Because there's money in it, bro.
Sure. There's money in securing it.
Exactly. Same with governments.
Bruh, that guy can hold like
Broker.
people that make cookies, eh?
Yeah, somebody who just like knows, alright, I know that this person's doing this, and this
I get
person's
the,
doing that.
the car.
And if you want to know what their schedules look like in this next week, I'll get that information.
Yeah.
for you, bro. And whatever they do with that information is their prerogative, bro.
Yeah, you made your price. Bro. Yeah, no, people make money in the worst ways. But yeah, I should watch it. It's so dope. And the FIFA
What's
one.
it called, bro?
It's called. Yeah, they gave it a different title. But if you type John McAfee. Yo! I'm like, what?
That is pretty crazy, bro. Did you see, like, I mean, looking at some of these sports documentaries,
Yeah, man.
how do you get to the better thing?
And
Sometimes you look here, sometimes you look there, sometimes you look in the future, sometimes you look at the
Morning, guys. Morning. So today is beach day. I'm so excited. I'm taking you guys to the beach with us. Hope you guys enjoy. We're currently on our way first to the drip store to go check out the Root of Fame. Oh, it's a new drop by Drip, so we're excited to go check that out. So come with us. So we are at the drip store. I'm going so crazy with the shoes, you guys. So we're getting some shoes. Oh my gosh, getting out of the lights, getting some shoes, and they're gonna show me like different colors and stuff. Is that the size 3? Oh, that is so cute.
That's the age for months. I'm not even wearing that. That's
Handsome.
oh,
Do you feel like it's close to each other though?
no.
No.
Let's try one.
Oh, that is pretty. How dare I forget the his and hers. Goodness. I'm gonna try it. Must I take the first picture? Oh, okay. Ningalap. Come on.
Ay,
that light is a bit too much. And it's a triple red. And then usondele ne bazobona ukuthi abubani ngakule sithombe. There we go. Ungamkhadi kepisi. Yes, yabo bese
Ngachinja at least. Spin there.
Nice. Where's your phone, Nana? So I can take some of your phone. Okay. Oh, Netu. Okay. And
Later. When I'm fire.
Let's forget
It's fighting.
yes. Okay.
Yes.
Love it for you guys. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
But I always. Oh yeah.
So I just got these. One for myself, one for my boo. These are travel essentials, especially for people who are always on the road. These are amazing. So I'm excited to finally have them. I've been looking for them for a long time. So I finally found them at Master Price.
Now we're fucking there. Just for the photo.
Just for the photo. Okay. Can you lie down or what about excuse camera? I'm like, what is that?
Listen, I hope those are really nice.
Okay, so we made it.
Okay, wait.
Yes. We have one.
What the?
Content creator.
Yes. We all need one. Content creator. Someone who's gonna do it for us. Yes, no, not at all. Oh.
Nah, you guys both lay back here.
So we finally at the beach. Finally at the beach. Finally at the beach. Yeah. Brace yourself, girl.
I will see you by the
All right, honey.
It's just been so disgusting. It's just like, oh.
Woo! Girl, I don't know any.
There's none, hey?
There's none, girl. I always ask my single friends, like, how do you guys do it? I mean, I haven't been single since I was like 22.
Already?
Yeah.
Is that when you guys met?
At drama school. Yeah. First year, second year. So he was like my senior. Yeah. Huh? Yeah! Dude, I've been crazy from day one. I was like,
Oh, I love that. When did you guys get married?
2021.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's only been like a year.
2. Well, approaching 2 in 3 months time. No, 4 months time, huh? Yeah, like March 2021. So,
Married life.
woo, it's nice, girl. It's nice here, bruh. I don't know who is lying. I think the people that lie don't want you to do it because it's so nice. They want to keep it to themselves.
So nice to hear. They always say but it's difficult to find stuff.
No.
Yes, it's always the first year of marriage.
No, girl. No. I think it's only hard when you're doing it with a person who doesn't want to and you also don't want to. That's it. That's it.
The dating scene out there is rough. Especially when you're trying to look for a partner, man. Yo. Please. Man who loves the Lord.
Girl, also my man,
So, like, you just got
nah, we took time to get you. At some point my husband was atheist, but I've always been Christian.
hearing that after 5 years.
Speak, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can't. It's like completely different. Pray for your man, girl. Jesus said, come save the people. Save the one you want. If he's not godly, save him. I don't know. But I'm not saying save him, I don't know, practically. But I pray for my man. Till the day he was like, girl, let's pray together. Ever since that day. Yeah. But he's always also been Catholic all the time. It's just like, you know, when you get like to college and you like start reading self-help books and you're like, you think you know. So that happens, yeah. What do you, wait,
She's just downloaded
Jamie, what do you do? What did,
me. I work for evangelism ministry actually.
okay.
Christian Vision. So we do missionary work and digital evangelism throughout Africa.
I love
She's
it.
actually in Kenya last week for work.
Girl. And the Lord's work.
Yeah. So I've
Right.
always been like in ministry, like that's always what I felt called to. So I was working at a church before,
Yeah.
and then I started working at this company now.
Yeah. I love it. I love it. Hannah, are you still having a good time? Like at work? No, girl, you had just a new job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't put Cape Town with the wind blowing the trees like this on the boat.
Was it?
With the wind blowing the trees. It's like,
Yeah, no.
It
Yeah,
was
it
very
was.
hectic. I was like, no, Cape Town, no. No, Cape Town, no. It's gone now. Yeah, it is. I can feel it. It is gone. It is.
This is a perfect view of Table Mountain.
It is.
I thought we had a good view. We have a closer view.
We have a closer view.
This is like,
Yes, but the thing is, yeah, you don't see them like, you know how you see Table Mountain, Lion's Head, and Signal Hill. Somehow you
Lion's
see
Head's
them
kinda yeah.
this way now.
right.
Yeah.
But that's Robben Island, right?
Where?
Gotta swim away.
Is it like is that Robben Island?
Really? There's
What?
a race back and forth from here though.
So what do they do? Are there no sharks? Why is Cam talking about sharks?
Gotta eat.
Okay. Yeah, probably. That's good. Yeah. At least. Then when you know someone, then you know. Yeah. But when you don't, who knows? Yes.
My point, the hard to tell the best story.
Babe, what are you talking about? I've been checking you out the whole
Guys, that
time.
water
It's so nice, right?
warm.
Yeah.
Warm. I've never felt Cape Town ocean that warm ever. It's so nice. I was like, no wonder you guys are able to stay in for so long because it is so warm.
It is.
Gosh, guys. I'll leave this that though.
Well, I will go back with you, but you know how far I go. Y'all trying to get free water in the swimming. No, I just installed it yesterday. I'm sitting away with these waves. Then what? And then what, girl? She's like, oh no, I just didn't think because I was hungry. I just thought, you know, no.
This is a real thing. I guess
Do you know that water makes you hungry as well?
it does.
Yeah.
It does.
Hungry and tired.
Yeah. It's so nice. The water's really nice.
And for you, okay.
Yes, I'm pleased. My dad is actually Tswana, but he was raised Tswana. He actually good. So like,
No. A drip. Cause bengiphethe a drip yazwa ngilibele ngivala ngivula lapha. Manje angisayithole ebhegini.